Hello everyone, welcome to ViTech Talks. As part of SQL interview questions and answers series, today we are going to talk about the very important interview question. The question here is like, okay, so just try to understand the question before going to solve the problem. So the answer is very simple. Try to understand the problem here. So this is our input table and this is our expected output. Okay. So what is the input table here? There are two columns. One is ID and another column it is called fruit. So here one ID. Okay. So ID number 1, it contains orange, apple, mango. There are 3 fruits. ID number 2, it contains banana, pineapple. So here we have only 2 rows. So this we need to split it into multiple rows. So ID number 1, how many fruits are there? 3. Okay. Orange, apple and mango. So what is the problem scenario here? Like the use case. So wherever there is a comma, you have to split it. Okay. Wherever there is a comma, you have to split it and you have to write it into multiple rows. Then coming to ID number 2, banana and pineapple. Okay. This is our expected output. Then let's see how to solve this problem. So in order to solve this problem, so we need to create a table, input table. We need to create an input table first. So you know already how to create the table. So create table, table name, the ID, it is an integer, the fruit name. Okay, so let me create the table here. Yeah, table is created. So as of now, I'm going to insert only 2 rows, insert into fruits, ID, the fruit names. Okay, 2 rows are inserted. So before going to solve this problem, just try to see what kind of data it is available here. This is very important. Okay. See the input data which it is matching. But this is our output data. I mean the result set. So here what we are going to do is in Snowflake, we are going to use lateral flatten function. So it is going to convert the array kind of elements into multiple rows. Then how to use this lateral flatten? Okay, it's very simple. Observe here. So let me write, select. So what are the columns we have? ID, fruit, correct? Fruit from fruits table. Yes. Just try to run this query. Okay. Now we need to apply lateral flatten function here. Okay. Give comma here. So here itself. So lateral flatten. Lateral flatten. Okay. So lateral flatten is the function. So here you need to provide the expression. So we have an input. So this input, okay. So wherever we have an input, so what we need to do, we need to split it. Yes. Just write a split function here. So the fruits name, what I'm going to keep it as like F, okay. Or XYZ, whatever you want, you can keep it. Okay, F dot. So what is the column name? So the column name is fruit. See, fruits is the table name, fruit is the column name. Okay, this column name you need to provide here. Okay, F dot fruit, comma, in single quotes. Okay, so you need to provide the separator. Okay, so if it is separated with pipe symbol, then you need to provide the pipe symbol here. It is separated with comma, so that is the reason what we are doing. We are going to provide the comma here. then F item. So this is my alias name. Okay, or else fruit item. Okay, fruit item. So let's try to execute this query and observe. Okay, so what kind of output we are getting? See, automatically, so this is converted into 3 times. Then it is 2 times. Okay, but the output is, this is not the expected output. So here we need the only orange here, apple here, and mango. So how to do this? So just take this fruit item. So instead of this fruit, okay, fruit item dot value. Okay, dot value. Now try to execute this query. See here how beauty it is. It is converted. It is converted into multiple rows. Now I want to remove this double quotes. Yeah, that's very simple. Give 2 colons here, convert as the string, then try to execute it. Yeah, double quotes also it is removed. Now we need to change the alias name. Yes, you can change it. Alias name is fruit name. See here, one is orange, one is apple, one is mango, 2 is banana, 2 is pineapple. So this is our expected output. Okay, this is our expected output. So most of the companies, they were asking this question. Okay, try to practice. So it's very important for interviews. So writing the query is very simple. Okay. So if you have any spaces, then what you can do, you can trim it. Okay, you can use the trim if it is necessary. So this is very important part. Okay, so this is very important. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this. Happy learning.